Let's talk about the HOTO 4-in-1 handheld vacuum. It's for professional detailers.
Tell me, do your tool luxury cars you service, or is your kit totally cluttered?
Meet your new premium matte black all-in-one solution. Say goodbye to dragging around the vacs.
But what really matters? Power. And man, this thing packs a 96,000 RPM brushless motor.
That means 20,000 pascals of raw suction. Stubborn dirt literally doesn't stand a chance against us.
Insanely versatile. It vacuums, blows, inflates, and utility closet is about to breathe.
With 5 specialized, will absolutely dominate every single tight car crevice. It's pure.
Oh, and you get pure precision control. The adaptable suction levels handle literally any professional detailing scenario. 3 levels, 8,000, 15,000, and 20,000 pascals. You perfectly match your exact suction to the specific mess. And unlike bulky shop vacs, this weighs just 0.78 pounds. You get truly effortless, one-handed maneuverability. Worried about battery? A 2,500 milliamp hour battery gives you 35 minutes of continuous runtime. Plenty to finish up. Workflow efficiency is absolutely crucial for high-end jobs. Enter the zero-friction pop-to-open dust cup. It's totally brilliant. Just pop the buckle, dump the debris, and immediately get back to detailing. It is seriously that hassle-free. Verified reviewer Bolin totally agrees, praising the solid build quality and premium feel for quick, everyday cleanups. Reviewer Marina adds, it feels super thoughtfully made, completely different from your typical bulky car vacuum.
So, are you finally ready to upgrade your detailing arsenal to match those high